Good morning, dear children. In previous class, we all had learned about heavy and light objects. Now, children, you all have understood that weight is a measure of how heavy something is. Okay? And we can measure the weight with the help of pen balance, normal balance and spring balance, children. And the weights are measured in gram or kilogram. Gram is a smaller unit of weight and kilogram is a bigger unit of weight. It means the lighter weights are measured in gram and the heavy objects are measured in kilogram. And children, here you can see different weights are measured, different weights are here, and these weights are used to measure any objects. This is 1 kilogram weight and this is 500 gram weights, and two 500 gram weights together make 1 kilogram weight. Okay, so 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, right? And if you want to measure any object, you will keep weight on one side of the pen and the other side you will keep the things to measure it. Okay? And children, as I told you before, the lighter weights are measured in gram. And here this is an apple. Apple is lighter, so it will be measured in gram. And this sofa is heavy, so it is measured in kilogram. Now we will learn how can we convert the bigger unit, that is kilogram in gram and gram in kilogram. So first of all, let us learn how can we convert kilogram in gram. So children, you have to put only 3 zeros at the last of the number. Suppose if you want to change 8 kilogram in gram, you will write first 8 and then put 3 zeros at the last and write gram. Okay? Remember, you have to put 3 zeros at the last to convert kilogram in gram. And the second one is to convert gram in kilogram, we have to remove 3 digits from the right side, and that digits will be gram and the left digit will be kilogram. Here the example is 9285 gram and it have to be converted in kilogram. Okay, so what you will do, the first 3 digits from the right side, that is 285 and that will be gram, and the left digit is 9, that will be kilogram. Children, hope you all have understood this two method of conversion. Now let us understand this with the help of examples. Children, here you have to convert these grams in kilogram. Okay, to convert gram into kilogram, what you have to do? You have to remove 3 digits from the right side. So what you will do? You will remove 3 digits from the right side, that will be gram. And what is the left digit? Left digit is 5 and that will be kilogram. Okay, similarly in this number remove 3 zeros, that will be gram, and the leftover is 12, so this will be 12 kilogram. Okay, now here in this example, remove 3 digits from your right side, that is 875 will be gram, and the left digit is 9 and that will be kilogram. Here 2184 gram. What you have to do, you have to remove these 3 digits from the right side and that will be 184 gram, and the left digit is 2 kilogram. So children, hope you all have understood how can we convert gram in kilogram. Okay, now let us see how we can convert this kilogram in gram. Children, I had told you, you have to put only 3 zeros at the last. So what you will do, 5 kilogram, so 5 and 3 zeros at the last, this will be gram. Okay, here 92, 3 zeros at the last, and the answer will be 92,000 gram. Okay, children, here you can see kilogram and gram, both numbers are here. So what you have to do, you have to convert this kilogram in gram. So what you will do, you will write 8 and after that what you will do, you will put 3 zeros. That will be gram. Now this 253 gram will be added in this. So the answer will be 8253 gram. Okay, here what you have to do, 6 kilogram. So 6 and 3 zeros gram, and this 18 will be added here. So the answer will be 6018 gram. Children, hope you all have understood how can we convert kilogram in gram and gram in kilogram. So do practice of these sums, okay, and solve the sums in your rough copy for the practice. Thank you and have a good day.